Patent Basics for 3D Printing Inventions. To qualify for a patent, 3D printing innovations must be new, non-obvious, and have a clear functional purpose. Key areas of patent protection in 3D printing include new materials, novel printing methods, innovative hardware or software designs, and unique printed products. A prior art search thoroughly examines existing patents and publications to ensure your invention is novel, helps identify similar inventions, avoid infringement risks, and is essential for crafting strong patent claims. To file a patent, document the invention with detailed drawings and descriptions, write clear patent claims to define protection, and collaborate with a patent attorney to meet legal requirements. The patent life cycle includes filing, examination, potential grant, and enforcement. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.